Hello, my name is Kurt, and in this video I'm going to go over how to set up two Eufy cameras. I'm only going to go through the setup process using my cell phone. I won't go through any configurations or any features that they have. I'm just strictly going to set up two indoor Eufy cameras. So with that, today we're going to go ahead and set up this Eufy camera, and then we're going to go ahead and then set up this Eufy camera right after we're done with that one. So basically it comes with the stuff you see in front of you. So let's go ahead and set this up here. So we just have this regular $29 camera here. And you can see the SD goes here. And then we have our power go here. And sync. And you can see that does this. This is for your wall if you want to. Or you can just leave it just like this. You come with the power cable. Instructions. And we had to buy the SD card separate. And let's take a look at this. Instructions. Gives you where everything is. Download the app. Let's do it on the other side. Alright. So let's go ahead and get this thing here powered up. So we're going to go ahead and put this here. My wall outlet's down yonder. And we're going to put this in here. Oh, that's an older connection. I don't know if it's in there good. Let's go ahead and plug it in. And we can see purple. I guess you can see that. So now I'm going to go ahead and grab my phone. And then we're going to go to the Play Store. Alright, so we're going to go to the Play Store here. And it might be a little blurry. Type in Eufy. Right there. We're going to install that. Alright, let's go ahead and open it. And read some stuff here. And now we're going to hit Not Explore More. So I need to sign up. So we're going to sign up, and I'm going to do this offline. But of course, it's very easy that you know. I do live in the United States. Alright, so let me go ahead and do that offline, and I'll be right back. Alright, so now we are on that. So next step is here. We have to set up some stuff. Security. Oops. Alright, so here we're going to go ahead and press the add device. And we have wire camera. We have this one. Yep. That's fine. I'm going to hit next. Device is plugged in, which I will do off camera. It's underneath on the base. Now it's asking me to hold the sync button, which is on the back. So it says here, hold the sync button on the back of the camera for 2 seconds until you hear the beep. The status will turn to flashing blue. Open the seal on the bottom of the camera. Press and hold the sync button until you hear a beep. And then we have it. So we're going to hit this. There we go. And did it change? Yeah. And that's it. So now we're going to go. We're going to press hard beep. Nation. Alright, now we're going to put in our Wi-Fi, so let me get that offline.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network, please wait.
So we're trying to connect. And I guess you heard it.
Setup was successful.
Now we're going to hit next. For now, we'll just call it entryway. Hit next. Get notifications without delay. We'll just do this one here on the top for now. We can keep that on, or we can turn it off. Oh, let me add a micro SD card into it. So we're going to go to the side here, and then we're going to put it in, looks like this way. What a pain in the butt. And takes the screwdriver. There we go. That's in. We're going to hit check again. You can see it's detected it. And now we're going to hit format. And format. It'll take about 1 minute. Yeah, we're going to turn that, take that off. Format SD. Let's hit the next button. Latest firmware available. Update now. Take about 10-14 minutes. In that case, we're going to put on pause here, and we'll wait till that's done. It's only at 12%, 13%. It's kind of slow. So we'll be right back. So while we're waiting for that to finish, here's going to be the second camera we're going to do. It's their pan and tilt one. And there's the SD card. You got to turn the thing over. And here we have a mic, sync, and power. And on the bottom is going to be the QR code for this. Also, leave me in the comments below if you hear that buzzing sound stop. Before there was a nasty buzzing sound. 21%. So don't forget to check down below in the description for chapters, affiliate links, all the other great stuff. Also, when I'm done setting these two up using the Eufy app, or Iffy, Diffy, Riffy, Doofy, whatever app you want to call it, I'm going to be connecting these two to my Synology NAS, but that's going to be a next video. So here we can see that we are done. I'm going to hit the magic finish button. And where do you plan to mount it? Right now it's going to be here. Recommended height. We're going to hit next. More stuff. Next. And cameras. Now let's see if we can see stuff here. So, can we see it? Oh yeah, here's the back of the phone. And there's my fat butt. What can we see over here? Little delay here. Okay. Yeah, a little bit of delay. So that one's done. So let's go ahead and set up the other one. So let's get that other one set up, and I'll be right back. Alright, so here we are on our second camera here. This time we're going to be adding a device to my cell phone here. This looks like the base, the mounting. For this, of course, you need to buy yourself an SD card. Comes with the power and your power supply, and of course comes with a set of instructions. So we're going to set up this pan and tilt indoor camera. We can go through this, see what we're going to need to do. Yeah, okay. Oh, you can buy that extra, huh? That's pretty cool. Tips. Alright, so let's get this thing rolling. Let's put this to the side. Now I gotta stretch way in the back here to go get my other power plug. Oh, but before we begin, let's take this off. Yep. And we'll throw that away. Now we got the camera. Remember, the SD card is there. And then we have speaker, deactivate security sync, more speakers, sync, and our power. So let's go ahead and put that right here. Again, this is an older connection, and boom. Let's see what happens. Up. There we go. We got the blue. Let me adjust this. Oh, see, it moved. You missed that because I was messing around with the cell phone. But there we got it. So solid blue. Let's go take our phone again. All right, so now we are here. We need to add a device. So I guess we hit the, I'll put this over here, the plus sign. And we're gonna do a wired camera. And we're gonna do this one. And then we're gonna hit the next button down below. What does it say? Plug in device? Yes, it is. It is solid blue. Hit next. Alright, so we're going to have to go to the bottom of this. So I'll take that off camera. Nope. Knock the camera around. So we have it. And then we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to hold the sync button, wherever the hell it is, right here. And the sync button right there. You can see it right there. Okay. And we heard the beep. And it's connecting. Oh, now I gotta find it. So here I'm connected to my Wi-Fi.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network. Please wait.
Alright, so we're gonna connect. Attempt to connect. Attempt to do something.
Setup was successful.
So it says you had it successful. Alright, now we'll just customize this. We're gonna call it the garage. Just for its and giggles. So we're gonna hit that like that. Save. We're gonna hit next. That's fine for now. We'll mess around with all that stuff later. Oh, now we're gonna put the SD card in. So again, we're gonna flip this thing up and we're gonna take a look at it. I think it goes this way. Ah. I'm gonna put my little screwdriver in there. So there it is. Take it down. Check again. Yep, see, it says detected. So found it. And now we're going to sit there in format. Format. And now you can see he's going to take, oh, it's going pretty fast. That just says formatted successfully. And we're done. Alright, let's hit next. We're going to have to upgrade, update now. And it's going to take about 10 or 15 minutes, so we're going to hit pause. So we're waiting for this to update. Don't forget, I'm going to be doing another video with these two cameras, possibly a third, or we're going to connect it to my Synology and see how that works. Also, don't forget to check, don't forget to check the description below for any affiliate links, chapters, and hit that fantastic subscribe button and hit the like icon if you want some more videos of this type of content and others. So we still got some time here. I'll be back again. So you want to see the approximate size of this camera. It's about that big or tall. Put this behind it. See the other one. Bring the other one in. About the same size. So that's what they are. Look. Let's put that one back. Alright, so an update was successful and is now finished. So we're gonna hit the magic finish button. And we're just gonna connect that. And we're just gonna go ahead and do that. And here you can see some measurements. We're gonna hit the next button. And then we're gonna hit finished. We already formatted it, so let's just see. Let's hit format again anyway. Oh no, it's formatted, so we can hit back here. Not now. Format. Well, it wants to format, so let's go ahead and format. Confirm it. Let's do it one more time. See what happens. So, what's wrong with that SSD card? So let's go ahead and add a device again. And add this one. And add this. Next. Next. Okay, we're going to go back to the QR code. Do that off site. Oh, it would help if I plug the bloody thing in. I see the thing spinning. Heard the beep. See it blinking. Just put the Wi-Fi network in again.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network. Please wait. Setup was successful. It's blinking. That's not good. Should be a solid blue. Oh, there we go. Let's move it. Ooh. Look at that. Oh, you see the two cameras right there. There we go. All right, some more security stuff here. So now we got the red on showing that's recording. And then we have the other one over here. So let's go back to our... Got it. So now we have two devices. So there you are. So like I said before, we're going to next video here, I'm going to add the two into my Synology NAS drive, and we'll see how that does with all that. But for now, these are set up, and hope to see you guys on the next video. Have yourself a happy and healthy day.